This is a tutorial on Google Classroom for parents and students. Google Classroom is a remote learning tool that allows you to access your classes, submit assignments, interact with your teacher, and more. You will need a device that is connected to the internet, like a laptop, desktop, or other mobile device. To access Google Classroom, open a web browser and go to classroom.google.com. You will need to use your student Google username and password. The username shown here is just an example. Be sure to use the one that you have been assigned. Google Classroom has many great features. Here are some important ones to help you get started. Joining a class. Once you are in Google Classroom, you might already be enrolled in classes. If you need to join a class, here's how. If you have already been invited to the class, simply find the class and click the Join button. You can also join a class by using a class code. Press the plus button at the top of the screen, enter the class code, and click Join. Classes. Once you are in a class, there are two helpful sections. The Stream section shows an overview of class announcements and things that have recently been posted to the class. The Classwork section is the place where you can find your list of assignments, quizzes, and other material for the class. Communicating with your teacher. You can communicate with your teacher in several ways. You can submit a class comment. This is like raising your hand in class and asking the teacher a question. Everyone in the class will be able to see your comment. You can also send a private comment. This is like going up to your teacher's desk at the end of class and asking them a one-on-one question. Classwork. There are several different types of classwork. If the teacher needs to ask the entire class something, they might post a question. Click to expand the question, then click View Question. You can enter your response on the right side. Once you are done, click Turn In to submit your answer. The teacher might post material like class lessons. Material might include documents or other attachments. Click to expand the material, then click View Material. If there are any attachments, you can click to view them. The teacher may post assignments, similar to in-class work or homework. Some assignments might have a due date. Click to expand the assignment, then click View Assignment. You can work on the assignment on the right side of the screen in the Your Work section. Click Add or Create to get started. The option that you select will depend on the assignment. For example, if you need to add an attachment, web link, or content that already exists on your Google Drive, there are options for that. To create a new Google Doc, select Docs. If you are unsure what option to pick, you can always ask your teacher by posting a class comment. For this sample assignment, let's create a new Google Doc. A new document will be created and automatically saved to your Google Drive. You can begin working on your assignment. The changes that you make will automatically be saved as you work. If you need to take a break, you can close the document and continue working on it at a later time. When you are done and ready to submit the document, click Turn In so your teacher can see it. You can add multiple documents or attachments if you need to. When your entire assignment is complete and you are ready to submit it to your teacher, click the Turn In button. Finally, your teacher might assign a quiz. This can be found on the Classwork page. The quiz will be available as an attachment. Click on it to begin the quiz.